and I have another video for you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I love you guys so much. But today I actually have a actually I collaborated with a jewelry company. Yes, the jewelry line is going to be on the screen. I might butcher it, but it's called Jeulia. Yeah, then. And I got this beautiful ring. Oh my god, yes. They're actually having a sale right now, so if you want to learn more about this ring and how you can get it and how you can get into this sale and all up into it, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, so I have my phone here because I want to make sure I got all the details here. Okay, Jeulia is actually having a, I guess it's their 5th year in business, and they're having a sale, and I actually wanted to present that to you guys. This ring, can you see how gorgeous that is? Sorry if my hands look so dated, yo. I am a nurse. I wash my hands all day, every day. If you guys have some like hand revival tips, go ahead and comment them down below because your girl needs them, okay? But anyway, let's pay attention to the ring and how beautiful it is. I have the name, the link, and everything down below as well. But yes, it's just so beautiful. I love how gaudy it is. It's so gaudy. This is my wedding ring. So this is my wedding ring compared to this. This is white gold. I actually need to get it dipped again. When you wear a ring repeatedly, it does lose its shine. But look how beautiful and shiny this is, yo. Especially if you have a night out or whatever. You'll be so cute. Anyway, so the actual deal that they're having, you'll actually get a free logo earring with any purchase, and you'll also get 15% off any orders over $150 using this code here, B15. Also, there'll be 10 lucky winners every day during this time period, okay? And you can win a new design Jeulia watch for the top shoppers after the event. So even after this deal, after these this promotional window, you can still win afterwards. I have never heard of this company before. They contacted me. I went on their website, look at the reviews. This stuff is like A1. I love. Okay, so little tidbit about me. Once I got into nursing, I stopped wearing jewelry. I don't wear jewelry at all, okay? I will wear a stud, and that's about it. But rings are safe, you know, rings are safe. You don't have to worry about getting injured or something, anybody choking you with a ring, you know what I mean? So, I love this. I wouldn't wear this to work though. Don't get it twisted, but I love a ring. Like, this is so pretty. If you just want to go on a nice little evening with your husband or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whatever, okay, this is like so cute to just glam up any little outfit. I have this basic little black dress on from Fashion Nova, and look at my ring. I just feel like I'm like ready to go. I'm wildin'. I really love this ring. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. This is a short and sweet. I just want to show you this ring though. It's A1. Jeulia, thank you very much for the collab. Thank you. If you guys like this video, I know it's short and sweet. It's really extra. It's real extra, but I just had to, you know, spill the tea on this ring. But I had to spill the tea on this company. Yeah. Definitely, if you like this video, comment down below for more videos to come. I'm going to be, I know I always say this, I'm gonna post more often, this, that, and the next. Your girl got a full-time job, okay, and it's taxing. But these people who be doing it on YouTube don't give a damn about their full-time job. They still create content. So I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm going to pick up the pace and post more content. I need to do it. It's something I'm passionate about. I love it. I need to do better, okay? I'm not gonna be sitting here telling you when I'm gonna post the next. Just turn on your notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I love you guys. Bye.